Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from Ysii Crypto, and today we are going to be taking a look at Wrapped Bitcoin. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy WBTC, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next Whale to the Moon coin. Let's get into it. Wrapped Bitcoin is the first Bitcoin-backed token that makes Bitcoin compatible with the Ethereum chain. This token standardizes Bitcoin to the ERC20 format, and the key advantage of using Wrapped Bitcoin is its integration with Ethereum wallets, decentralized applications, and smart contracts. Decentralized applications can now leverage Bitcoin payments in smart contracts for lending protocols, funds, prediction markets, and token sales. This Ethereum-based token is designed to bring increased liquidity to DeFi apps, and BTC holders can lend their Bitcoin in the form of Wrapped BTC to earn interest. It is completely transparent, 100% verifiable, and led by the Bitcoin community. So who created Wrapped BTC? The developers of the Wrapped Bitcoin protocol are BitGo Inc., Kyber Network, and Ren. Wrapped BTC launched on the Ethereum mainnet in January of 2019, and the token was launched with 8 merchants facilitating Bitcoin to Wrapped Bitcoin conversions. The project is now controlled by a decentralized autonomous organization called the WBTC DAO, consisting of more than 30 members. WBTC is managed by a group of organizations working under the DeFi banner to help provide more sophisticated financial services. Wrapped Bitcoin enables interoperability between Bitcoin and Ethereum, allowing Bitcoin holders to participate in the Ethereum ecosystem. WBTC is an ERC20 token that can be traded on decentralized exchanges such as Kyber or Uniswap. Each WBTC ERC20 token is pegged to a Bitcoin token, meaning that you can convert any Bitcoin over to Wrapped Bitcoin using various exchanges. You can also convert your Wrapped Bitcoin back into traditional Bitcoin whenever you desire, and this flexibility allows users to seamlessly shift between Wrapped Bitcoin and Bitcoin to suit their investment strategies. To buy Wrapped Bitcoin, you will need to open an account with a crypto exchange that supports WBTC. Most major exchanges, such as Binance, Coinbase, and Gemini, facilitate the trading of WBTC. Alternatively, if you already own Ethereum or Bitcoin tokens, you can use a decentralized exchange such as Uniswap, Dama, or Kyber to convert them into Wrapped Bitcoin. For the security of your digital assets, you should always consider transferring your Wrapped Bitcoin tokens to a digital wallet, as keeping your tokens on the exchange you purchased them on means you don't own the private keys. The best wallets to store Wrapped Bitcoin are the KeepEye hardware wallets, or iDo and Argent software wallets. So what do we like about Wrapped Bitcoin? WBTC undergoes regular audits and publishes on all chain transactions and verifications for the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks, which increases transparency and encourages trust. The Ethereum network gives you access to the largest ecosystem in the crypto market, as well as exclusive wallets, decentralized applications, and games. And WBTC makes integration easy. Wrapped Bitcoin reduces volatility levels that cause price instability by introducing the liquidity of Bitcoin to the Ethereum ecosystem. Transactions are authorized faster than Bitcoin transactions themselves, allowing you to efficiently move between Wrapped Bitcoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum wallets and exchanges. Without Wrapped Bitcoin, more time and money is needed to change Bitcoin into Ethereum, and Wrapped Bitcoin allows Bitcoin holders to participate in decentralized financial projects. Wrapped Bitcoin has opened the door for Bitcoin holders to engage in the Ethereum DeFi ecosystem, enabling a higher level of interoperability and participation in projects and markets. The token is now available at leading crypto exchanges, making it easier than ever to start trading Wrapped Bitcoin or converting Bitcoin and Ethereum into Wrapped Bitcoin. It is now possible for Bitcoin holders to seamlessly engage with Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem, making Wrapped Bitcoin a fantastic investment. You can benefit from Bitcoin's liquidity and market value while enjoying Ethereum's dApps, projects, and infrastructure. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Wrapped Bitcoin. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.